I'm out. Bloody sun's in the wrong place, isn't it? Well, at least we've got a fish. You're not getting a blank, so.
Oh, right.
Ah, get up! Bloody seagulls! Ah! Ah!
I'm in.
You're in there, champion. Good. Let's get this off here. Keep the camera running. Turn round. That's about right.
Keep it that, isn't it?
Yeah. Oops. Yeah, nice. This one's going to go back. Hopefully seagulls won't get it. That's away. You got no chance, you. Look at it. That's the way to get shot. You got no chance, seagull. Was it self-unhooking, was it?
You're not catching any mackerel there, will you?
No.
On the wheel. Just a little. Come here, man.
Yep. In the box. Get in, son. Give him a palaver.
Two. Nico!
Oh, what the like? Three. Oh, well. Oh, I'm in as well. Oh, that feels good as well. Oh, that's a nice cod, yours. Oh, that's a lovely one, that. It's a really nice one. I think mine's off. Let's go back to my rod. Oh, it's not still there. I've got colour. It's not as good as yours, but still a good one. You got no chance, seagull. You never get that down your neck.
You just got to hear his foot.
Keep up. Yeah, we know what I've said about dropping into gullies and stuff like that.
Aye.
That was that gully, wasn't
What did I
it?
see it before I came? I said, get somebody here.
Should have marked that. Should have marked that gully. I'm getting well and truly trounced here. At least I'm blankly.
Tiddler. Nay, good that.
Just on that side. No chance goal. It's only a tiddler. Plenty of fight, but it's only a tiddler.
Just missed the one there.
behave, sunshine, and you will go back.
That's your third one.
Here. I said behave. It's on the deck. Too late, go.
Good that.
It's gone.
Gone.
It's gone, I think. Yeah, that has given up. That's a small. No, no, it's a wrasse.
Oh, it's a wrasse. Bloody hell.
Oh, well, that must have been what I was getting before. I thought it was whiting. And the way whitings really rattle.
Aye.
I think it must have been that. Right. I don't like catching them.
Must be out some hard ground there, mister.
Yeah. It's just, I don't know if you know about wrasse, but wrasse mate for life. They only mate once. And they suffer barotrauma, something rotten. And if you're on a really bad drift, yeah, the seagulls are fighting each other. That's a good nutty. Come on. But it's the same bloody wrasse. That was a good bite though, that one. Bloody hell. Look at the size of this one. I wonder if it's a partner of the one I've just caught. Massive fish that one, mate. You got no chance, seagulls.